Mm, yes. Then how we can handle these type of situations? So let me remove this border box. Okay. So in this situation, how we can handle? We have an option like I want what this apple is on the right corner, right left top corner, right top corner of the box. Now how we can handle it? Just make its parent relative. Okay. And select this apple class, apple image class, make it absolute. Okay. When I select it absolute, after that, you can see that we have here different options. Like for the top right, I select this as a top right. Okay. For the top left, I select it as the top left. We have different situations.
Basically, whenever we want to move the objects like that, we have to make the parent relative and the object absolute.
Exactly, 100% exactly. But it depends upon our requirements. In which scenario this type of situation is using. Like we have a pop-up model and it have a cross button on the top right corner. Then we can use this option. Okay. Like you can understand, we have a pop-up model. When user click on button, we have a pop-up model, and it also have a cross button to close the pop-up model. So in this situation, in this scenario, we can use these rules.
Okay.
Yeah, it's looking much better. Understand? Okay, what's the next thing? I
Yep.
think here is a list of your question. May I take a start from here, or you have some other questions?
I think you can start from the list.
Okay, right. When I try to reduce the element inside the container by reducing the container itself, it does not happen. For example, for the mobile variant. One thing I want to add here, when you share your question, you must try to add image or the screenshot of the screen, because it will be very helpful to understand what's going on. Or you can add small Loom video.
I wrote that, and I think that with the Flexbox and the Gridbox, uh, it it is solved.
So
Like this was like this was a responsiveness question. Like when I try to what we used to do to edit the width and the height, but when we changed to the mobile version, it wasn't happening. But now with the Flexbox and the Gridbox, I think this one is solved.
actually, I can't understand your questions. This question, can you please repeat from the start what you want to ask?
I wanted to ask,
Yes, please.
I, I, wait, I added a container and then
Okay,
something inside that container.
okay,
But when I changed like the width and the height properties from the container, it didn't affect the thing inside the container.
okay. Let we
So I
try.
had to like,
Let we try
So
here.
the elements were left out of
yep.
they were
I
bigger than
mean,
the
the container was like this, but the thing inside the container was bigger.
Let we try here. Let we try here using these elements. Yeah. Now we leave it as by default. Okay, it's the by default size of the apple. Now for now it's look like this, but on mobile variant it's automatically fix the things. But the yes, let me make it uh, s- yes, it's automatically make the things. But in the situation in which you are stuck, the scene is that we can handle it with the size of the container, like we have the container size of the let's suppose 250 pixels. Okay, and the size of the inside element, like an image, the size of an image is greater than its parent container. Then we have an option. What is the option? Option is that we can define width of the inner element, or the child element is 100%, and same for the height. If we define 100% width and 100% height of this image, it automatically take the size of its parent element. So when we go to any screen, it will it will with respect to its parent element. uh, I think it's clear.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. For your next question, for an image mask when it's previously created with div box, this happen when using template. I can't make it to move it, make it look like aligned with the element I want it to be aligned. Yes, for the alignment of inside the element, I discussed with you, we have an option of the flex box. Okay, we can control from here, like just make it small, because now it's let me make it 24 pixels for proper understanding. So you can control it like left align, right align, centered. Same situations like this, like its height, for example, for the sake of understanding, like its height is 300 pixels. For the you can control it here also, from here, on the top, on the bottom, on the center. So same thing like this. If we have two apples, so what is the purpose of this? You can it's centered, it's on the top, on the both borders, like top and bottom, and it is in between. Okay, so we can handle it using the Flexbox. We don't need to use like you are using previously. I think maybe you used use padding left, this and something like this. It will confuse you, and it will disturb your mobile variant also. Okay, I think your question number two is
We did
also.
that, but yes, I
Yes,
got it.
yes, I know you did that, because when I was learning, I also did that. Yeah. Okay, it's our question number two. Now, what is our question number three? What's the best way to link the something to an image? Like how you want to link.
Like when you add logos, for example, to social media, and you
Okay,
want that
okay, okay,
you add the image and
okay,
you want it
okay.
to.
Let me
Yep.
explain. Let me explain. Yes. You can see like this is for Insta, for LinkedIn, for Pinterest, Facebook, and Twitter. Something like this. Okay, we have this we have Very simple way, nothing complex. Mm, okay, let's suppose this is the logo for the Facebook. Mhm. Okay, like this is the logo for the Facebook, and it's a social media link block. Okay, how we can handle it? Just click on this parent element, which is the box item. Okay, just click on right click on it and convert it into the link block. Okay, and from here you have an option to insert your Facebook link here. When user click on this, user will jumps to the Facebook page, and from here you can also have an option. When user click on it, user will stay on the same page or open the Facebook into the onto the next tab, right? Like I put the Facebook link here. When user click, user will jumps to the Facebook. But now for now I did not put Facebook link, just showing you as an example. So this is the way. Okay,
Okay.
fine. What's your next question? What's the best way for adding an animation element? Like what type of animation you want to add? It's depend upon the our requirements. Okay, like yes. Stop. Like this simple hover animation. Do you know how to make this hover animation?
No.
You
No.
okay? You don't. You both don't know about it. Okay, no problem. I will explain you. This is hover animation. Similarly, this is hover animation. This is on page load. No, on scroll page scroll animation. You know, this is moving upward. We will learn all these things, but with the passage of time, for now let me explain this thing only, because you are at very initial stage. If I explain something like this, you will go on confused, so I don't want to confuse you. Okay, how to handle this? Just select this box element. Okay, and I want to change the background color on the hover. From here I just select the box item. Okay, from here you click on this button, you have a drop down. Just select the hover state. These are the states: hover, past, visited, focused, and none state. I just select the hover state, and upon hover, what will happen? The background color gone to green. Okay, and just back. Now when I can hover on it, it's changeable. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. If similarly, if you want to change the icon color also on the hover, then what we can do, now I have only one icon in the blue color. For this, to change the color of the icon also, I need to upload the icon on the in another color. Like maybe I have here. Just check. Need to check. No.
Yes, it has to be another image, right?
Yes, it has to be another image. When then after let's suppose on hover, this Facebook icon is changing to the Apple icon. How? Let's just click on hover state, and okay, sorry, it's not the background image. So first of all, we need to put it in the background. Let me remove from here. Just click and set it to from here. This is the this is the option we have to select the background image. Just click on this, add a background. This is the Facebook icon. Now by default, it have repetition and it's on the left top of the box. Let me remove the repetition and select it in the center of the box. Okay. And now what we want when user hover on it, Facebook icon change into the Apple icon. Just select from here, hover, and from here we can change the image. Instead of Facebook icon, I am using the Apple. And actually Apple size is, we have, you can see here we have a 512 pixel its size. Therefore we can define its some size. Yes. Okay. And just how now we can hear over here. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So this is the way. So how we can handle the small animations like hover animation. In the future we will also discuss and study some more details about the animation and go to the higher level, but with the passage of time.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, what's your next question? How do I link something from the header to a specific part of the page, of the landing page? That's great. That's a good question. Like you want to ask, what you want to ask, let me show here. Mhm. Mhm. I need to log out from my this account. Actually, on that page, we don't have a number of sections. Okay, let me develop from the scratch. Okay. Okay, let we have one section name, section red. It have a background color red. And I am defining some fixed height for the sake of learning. Okay, we have another section in the page wrapper named as section yellow. It also has some fixed height for the sake of learning, and it have some background color like yellow. Just a minute. And similarly, we have another section in the page wrapper, which is section green. We have background color green, and we have some fixed height 100 width view height. Okay, now on this page we have three different sections: red, yellow, and green. Okay, what you want just a minute, I am removing this. This is basically the link text. Link text, when user click on it, user will jump to another page, or as we want, we can set it. Okay. So
Yes.
you can understand, do you have focus on it, or you are you are confusing?
No, I'm good.
Okay, and you, Adriana?
I'm good too.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, let's suppose I just give I just change its text to red. and define a class section link. Okay, I am copying this and pasting it. Okay, just change its color to something like to readable, like white. Yes. Okay, this is red, this is yellow, and it's green. Now what we want when user click on the red, user will jump to this section. When user click on yellow, user will jumps to the yellow section, and when user click on green, a user will jumps to the green section. That's your question. That was your question, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
So
it is.
yes. So what we need to do, just select this red section, go to the setting, and from this tag you need to select section. Okay, you need to select section, and I am assigning a ID to it, red. Okay, similarly, go to the yellow section, define section, and define an ID yellow. Similarly, go to the green, put here, select here section, and add an ID green. Okay, now select this link, and from here the third one you have an option of page section. Okay, just click on it, and now you have you have, I think, why you have two options. You must okay, let me check. You have, for now you have two options like red. Okay, similarly, just let me check why we don't have. Okay, I did not assign an ID of yellow here. Okay, when user click on the page section, we have three options. That is yellow. For the second one, I am selecting yellow, and when user click on it, go to the page section, just select from here green. Okay, just go back to here and click on it. Let's suppose click on green, user will jumps to the green. Okay, similarly, just click on yellow, user will jump to the yellow section. I think it's clear.
Yes, it's really easy actually.
Yeah, it's really easy, just need some focus, and it will be very easy for all of us. Okay, one thing more, I want to, just a small thing I want to clear here. Uh, we used properties like position properties like static and relative, right? We also have, if you want, when users scroll down to the page, we should have our this menu. This is like, you can say that this is the menu. This menu should also move with the screen. So for this we need to fix our menu. How we can fix it? We can use the position property, position, and from here we can select fixed. Okay, just fixed, and after that I will select the top. Okay, now it is also moving with my scroll. Like, I can say that why I do this. I am showing you, going to here, it's yellow. Now I don't need to go back the scroll. I am on yellow, I am on green, I am on red, again I am on green, I am on yellow. Okay, I think our CSS fixed property, position fixed property is also cleared here.
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Yes. Okay, I think now is your last question in here, in the list. Is there a way to save the changes manually, or how can I ensure that my changes have been saved? Sometime when I make changes in the mobile variant, return to the white screen, then back to the mobile variant, the changes have been disappeared. I think You have been confused here. It's saved automatically. Like I am going to here on the mobile screen. Okay, and if you can do any changes and go back, and you can, when you will again on the mobile variant, the changes will because it saves automatically. You don't need to save anything like the like in the custom work, because it's a tool. It's a CMS, and it save things automatically. You have another option. You can publish it using this button, publish on the static domain, or you can say that testing domain. Yeah, you can see here. I am also sharing this link for now in the where in the our WhatsApp group. If you want to see, if you want to see my code, like what I do in the our HTML part, what I do in my CSS part, I have an option to share with you here, like using this share project, like share only link, share read only link, and I will just copy the link here from here and share with you. Let's suppose on the chat here, you can copy it. Just a minute. Okay, I will share with you in the WhatsApp chat, and you can access uh, something like this. You have this link, you can see what I have done, but you don't have access to change anything. You just have access to see what's going on, how I make sections, how I make links, everything. You can access this. Okay, I will
Oh,
share.
okay.
I will share. If you have any question, you can ask, please.
I think for now everything is pretty clear.
That's great. That's great. And Adriana, do you have any question?
I don't. I think learning Flexbox and Gridbox helped a lot with the problems I had.
Yes, yes. If you do something by yourself, I don't want to assign some homework like or some assignment. But if you do something by your own, you will learn more. If you want, I will assign some small task. It will be helpful for you for the sake of learning. If you want, not compulsory. But you can play as how much time you will spend, as how more time you played with it, you will learn a lot. So it's depends upon you what you want.
We actually are in like an program where we're learning this.
Oh
We're
yes,
making,
oh
yeah,
sorry. We're like making our own portfolio, so there we are experimenting with all
Yes,
of them.
yes, you can. My first project was also my portfolio, but it's not it's not good. Just want to show you. uh, I don't think so. It's as much better, but now I did not get a chance to make it perfect. Here is my some completed projects. So when user click on any of the project, like when user click on it, user will jumps to the. Sorry, my client I think change its link. Maybe it work. Like when user click on any of the project, user will jump to the live site, like here. So when user click on this next button, the next some of other projects are showing here. These are some of my initial projects which I have done in start of my career. It's also just a dummy site, dummy portfolio site. It's not as much good as it should be. And when user click on here, hire at me at Upwork, it user will jumps to my Fiverr profile. That's the way. Okay, you can, yes, please.
Oh no, it's really nice.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. If you have any question, you can note down, and we will discuss in the next session. And if you during the time before the next session, if you have any question, you can WhatsApp me. I will answer you, no problem. Anytime you can contact me. Okay. And all right, I
Thank
think
you.
it's enough for today, I think.
Okay, yes,
Yeah.
thank
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next session soon.
all right.
Okay.
Thank you, Tia. It
Thank
was
you.
nice to meet you and to learn from you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
Have a
Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
bye. Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye. Thank you.